Yeah, I changed my mind. I'm just gonna cut it here only because I see here that we only have for the seatbelt here. There's only one bolt attached compared. So all this will work out fine. I'm thinking about cutting it here as well, or a little bit higher. I'll cut this right now. Alright, let me get this taken care of. Yep, everything needs to line up. Using a pulley here. See if we can get that straight enough. Let's get the part in. There's probably a lot of chemicals or something that wasn't clean. It's causing issues. I'll work on those things. That's an ugly weld, but I mean, looks like I'm gonna need a little bit more practice. Maybe over here. Let me see what I can do. See if I can do that. Probably over here. I'm gonna even with the bad welds, I'm just gonna hit it a couple times to see how strong it is. Seems pretty stable. Did another weld up here. So it's bending along with the weld. So I was thinking that this should be able to work. Clean it a little bit better. Do a few more practices. Then we start at least getting the main things tapped in and welded and so forth. Where the more difficult, the thinner metals, I may have to take that somewhere and get it professionally welded for that sense. But that might be it for right here.